Need to update your login or feeling like it's time for a security refresh? In this year, your DistroKid account is more than just an uploader, it's where your money lives. If you lose access to your email, you lose access to your payouts. And today we're talking about how to use the account settings method to swap your email address and change your password quickly. Alright, so the first thing to do is updating your login email. Okay, so email fast, sign in to your DistroKid and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select account from the main menu. Then locate the email field and type in your new address. Also, you must scroll to the bottom and enter your current password to confirm your change. Then, pro tip, check your old email inbox. DistroKid will send a verification link to your old address to prove it's really you making the change. Once you click that, the new email becomes your official login. After you're logged in, go to that same account page, scroll down to the password section, enter your new secret phrase, and hit save. If you're logged out, you can go to distrokid.com/forgotpassword. Okay, enter your email, and your DistroKid will send a reset link instantly. This year, DistroKid requires passwords to be at least 10 characters long. I recommend using a mix of symbols and numbers to keep those brute force hackers at bay. Hit done and you're back in. From there, your account is officially reinforced. If this helps you out, like and subscribe.